ZetaFisc is highly configurable, and all of it lives under System Settings. This area is restricted, only the administrator, and anyone given the right role, can open it. We go there now from the menu. System Settings is organized into tabs across the top, 12 of them. We will go through every one and explain what it is for. First, Security. This is where you set the encryption passphrase that protects all your sensitive data. Your email password and file encryption keys are all encrypted with it. The status cards confirm what is configured, and you can change the passphrase here at any time. Next, MFA management. From here, the administrator can require two-factor authentication across the company, so users must confirm a second factor when they log in, a strong protection for a finance system. Lock signatures. If a staff member enters the wrong signature pin too many times, their signature is locked for safety. The administrator comes here to review and unlock it. Tax settings hold your default tax rates, the VAT rate and the withholding tax rate, which the system then applies automatically on invoices and vouchers throughout ZetaFisc. Company settings is the biggest tab. It controls your document numbering, the prefixes and next numbers for invoices and vouchers, your fiscal year, including creating, locking and managing each year, your foreign exchange account, the default VAT and withholding tax ledger accounts, and the control accounts for receivables and payables. Let us scroll through it. Approval workflow is where you design how money gets approved, rules by document type and amount range, with one or more levels of approval. This is the engine behind the voucher approvals we saw earlier. User management lists everyone with a login. From here you create users, resend invitations, deactivate accounts, and grant a specific person extra permissions beyond their role. Roles and permissions lets you build your own custom roles, bundles of permissions, and assign them to staff, so each person sees exactly what their job needs and nothing more. We will cover this in depth in its own video. Email provider is where you connect ZetaFisc to your email service, providers like Resend, SendGrid, Mailgun, Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, so the system can send invoices, receipts and notifications from your own address. There is a setup guide for each provider. File encryption, when switched on, automatically encrypts every uploaded file before it is stored, and decrypts it on download, completely invisibly to your users. Company branding lets you make ZetaFisc your own, upload your company logo and choose your primary color, which then appears across the app and on your documents. And finally, push notifications, the company-level controls for the browser and mobile alerts staff receive, such as approval requests and payment confirmations. That is the complete settings area, every switch that shapes how ZetaFisc works for your business.